Coolest survival gadgets that are worth buying. Paracard's Titan Emergency Survival Blanket, Couch Belt, and more. Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be going to talk about the coolest survival gadgets that are worth seeing. Let's get started. Paracard. This multi-tool blends simplicity, functionality, and portability. It fits in the palm of your hand or in your pocket and includes 20 feet of paracord, a lighter, and a knife. The latter is available in two sizes, 2 or 3.5 inches long, and costs $35. Titan Emergency Survival Jacket. This invention, which could literally save lives, fits into a tiny bag, no bigger than the palm of your hand. It is a blanket made from a material that was originally designed for NASA. It returns up to 90% of the body heat, and it doesn't let any water, wind, or cold pass through. And in a critical situation, it will be able to keep you safe from frostbite. The versatile shape allows you to use it as a blanket or as a tent. As a set of 5 Titan reusable blankets costs $25. Catch belt. Some survival gadgets don't even take up space in a backpack. For example, this belt. From the American company Wazoo, its secret lies in its two-layer design. You can store the necessary items between the layer. The improved version of the belt includes a compartment for storing money, a keychain with a compass and a whistle, some safety pins, hooks, and fishing line, a ceramic knife, and a flashlight, wire paracord in a small container for water, and a signal mirror. You can carry all of these and more while your hands remain free, and the price starts at $115. Procamptek Fast Fire Stick. With this tool, you can no longer have to worry about starting a fire in the wilderness. Again, the compact roll weighs only 2.8 ounces and has a protective sheath. Inside there is a compressed cotton-based tinder, an extremely flammable material that's ideal for making fire with sparks, and the flame generated by the fire stick is resistant even to strong winds. The material itself is non-toxic, environmentally friendly, and doesn't lose its properties. Over time, one roll is enough for about 10 uses, and buy it for $10. GEOPRESS. Here is an alternative to plastic bottles, which are traditionally used by travelers. Despite being expensive and bad for the environment, GEOPRESS from the American company Grail looks like a reusable bottle, but in fact, it also is a reusable purifier. The built-in filter removes bacteria, viruses, chemicals, microplastics, and even heavy metals. Thanks to its patented design, the filler is activated by a push, and the 24-ounce bottle is purified in 8 seconds, and the average cleaning rate is 1.32 gallons per minute, and the price is $90. Hideaway Jacket. The concept of this invention is simple and amazing to a windbreaker. With you all of the time without feeling like you're carrying it around. The Hideaway Jacket fits into a tiny pouch and weighs less than a drink. The jacket itself is made of several thin layers of fabric, protecting the wearer from the wind and moisture. You can also make the layers of the jacket warmer yourself, and developers can be added several pockets, which can be stuffed with leaves, paper, fluff, and anything that will help keep the body warm. The price starts at $50. Zippo Typhoon Match Kit. The world-renowned lighter manufacturer also makes matches that are ideal for survival in the wilderness. They are packed in a plastic airtight case, and it doesn't sink, protects the matches from moisture, and can be attached to any carabiner. The matches have a special ultra-thick coating. Once lit, and the match burns for 30 seconds. Even in the high winds or when submerged in water, one reusable case with 50 matches costs $15. MRF Universal 3.0. The next gadget on our list is a multi-tool which comes in different materials like the steel or pure titanium. In any case, when away from civilization, it can replace several useful devices at once. The Universal 3.0 will serve as a sundial, a bottle opener and can opener, a knife, an axe blade, and a fire starter. The ruler and the distance ruler, and the multi-tool is about the size size of a credit card so that you can carry it even in your wallet. The price starts at $34. Compact Ranger Survival Bow. A rather specific survival gadget was introduced by the American company's Survival Archery Systems. It is a folding bow that can save your life in a critical situation. Traditional bows aren't very convenient for travel, but not in this case. It took 18 months of the development to create a folding very strong and at the same time effective frames. The bow is stored in a case which fits into almost any backpack. The price starts at $170. Blue Bolt Solo Kit. A sleeping bag is an outdoor essential, but the Indian company Blue Bolt has come up with a way to improve the traditional design. Solo Quilt is a lightweight, folds to a compact size, keeps out of water and the wind, and provides ventilation and a vapor barrier. Its ergonomic shape covers your body from head to toe, allowing you to sleep comfortably in all weathers. Even in sub-zero temperatures, the special filter inside doesn't bunch up unlike traditional sleeping gas, so it warms you up evenly. The price starts at $200. Toporo Trekking Pole. A trekking pole is a useful tool when traveling, but the Canadian company Toporo managed to turn it into a multi-tool. The construction is modular. Each section contains a tool, and these are the fire starters: a whistle, a screwdriver, a knife, bottle opener, saw, and in that way, all of these items don't take up space during the hike. The price starts at $67. INOVA T10R. The next gadget we'll talk about is a tactical flashlight that can shine brighter than car headlights at 3,500 lumens. It can create a beam of light of up to 450 meters long, and the design is rugged, resistant to water, dirt, and impact. The manufacturer has provided 5 modes of operation: high brightness, low brightness, SOS strobe, and a smooth flashing. The brightness of the flashlight is also adjustable. An additional advantage is the ability to INOVA T10R to work as a portable power source. For charging other gadgets, the price is $270. U-PAK Pro. This is a complete survival kit that contains everything necessary to keep you alive for 72 hours. It'll come in handy for the travelers and those who want to feel safer in case of a natural disaster. Inside the backpack are small pouches, each with a different purpose. The U-PAK Pro will provide shelter thanks to a tent and a sleeping bag and a mattress. It provides sustenance in the form of dry rations of mobile cooking stations, water packs, and filters. Also inside, there's a set of spare clothes, basic tools, first aid kits, and hygiene products. The price for a fully stocked backpack is $400. RokPak Pioneer Series. Something similar but with a different purpose was intended by the specialists of RokPak. It is a tiny suitcase that can be attached to a backpack. In the wild, it will help you feel safer and more comfortable inside. You can put your valuables like your smartphone, documents, and money. The case will keep them safer, protect them, and for moisture, dust, bumps, and other hazards on the outside of the case. There is a solar panel and it generates electricity and allows your smartphone and the other gadgets to charge while they're inside. The price starts at $140. So what are your thoughts about the topic? Do you think this video is useful? Please let me know by leaving a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you on our next video.